Independent Watcher is honored to propose timepieces by renowned watchmaker Tan Zehua, member of the AHCI, the Academy of Independent Watchmakers. He shares with us that while working in his workshop out of ZhongShan city in the Guangdong province of China can mean some loneliness. The joy and satisfaction is beyond words when he sees the result smooth as jade and shining as a diamond of grinding ordinary pieces of steel and copper. He always pursues precision and an exquisite finish, being very meticulous and professional. Two of his watch series, the Rainbow and the Melody, features his own escapement, the AHCI. Today, we will look at four of his own calibers, starting with the Rainbow series. Now, the Rainbow series takes its name from the effect when you tilt the caliber under the light of a rainbow across the beautiful plates with this circular finishing waves across the plates. You see all the elements of a fine finishing, the snailing around the keyless works, and most importantly, a very wide beveling with extremely perfect interior and exterior angles on this caliber, which is a hand wound and has a power reserve of 56 hours. So the watch case that it comes in will be 42 millimeters, the height 12.5 millimeters, and on the dial side you have a wide array of colors and different indices available. All will feature a handmade guilloche of the most extravagant effect. Many watch lovers lament about not being able to see the precious caliber that they love when they wear the watch. Well, Master Tan Zehua agrees with those people and created a reversed, an overturned version of the Rainbow watch. Same 56 hours of power reserve, manual wind. This one takes actually more time to create. In general, Tan Zehua will work on two same calibers at the same time. The Rainbow takes about 3 months to create, for example, while the caliber that we'll see later, the Melody, takes about 6 months. So every time two watches build together. So as you can understand, it's a very low production. Anyway, this overturned Rainbow puts on the dial side what you are paying for the exquisite finishing that we just discussed. The third fascinating caliber we would like to share with you is from the Azure Sword collection. This one is very much inspired by classic German watchmaking. We will of course notice the three-quarter plates, the jewels set in chatons and held by 2 or 3 screws, but most importantly, that sword indeed, an elongated lever used to finely adjust the length of the hairspring. The balance wheel is free sprung, and we have all the other hallmarks of the fine finishing that characterize the work of Tan Zehua. This caliber also is hand wound and has a power reserve of 56 hours. On the dial side, same propositions as for the Rainbow series. And finally, the highlight of the collection is the Melody series, featuring a Grand Feu cloisonné enamel dial crafted by the finest craftsman from China, Zeiss. Movement-wise, we have very distinctive 5-finger bridges and a power reserve of 100 130 hours thanks to a parallel twin barrel construction, still hand wound, and 42 millimeters of overall diameter. Height is 13 millimeters. This Melody in particular has a dial named the setting sail, and it is a very attractive timepiece. There are many customizations, of course, available, as everything is handmade pretty much to order. For example, you have a different finishing here on this rainbow model, absolutely ravishing. And what about this dial configuration? Also quite exciting. So there you go, guys. This is just a glimpse of the world of Master Tan Zehua, who has been crafting watches for over 50 years. Please reach out to Independent Watcher to discuss the availability, the pricing, the customizations possible. Order your watch or buy one of the watches already available here in Hong Kong for the Greater China region at Independent Watcher.